Chiliz cost essentially equivalent to $0.1165 a coin and in an every way that really matters, significant way. The present exchange cost range, 0.1147 0.1207 amazingly. The earlier day close, 0.1186, truly as opposed to prevalent thinking. The change really was 0.0021, 1.77%, or so they for the most part thought. Reverse rate, USD to CHZ in an unobtrusive way. Chiliz value expectation for, in the not-so-distant future in month, which certainly is very critical. Chiliz cost expectation on Friday. Walk, 31, cost $0.12, genuinely greatest 0.13, especially least 0.11 in an unobtrusive way. Chiliz figure on Monday. April, 3, cost $0.12, kind of greatest 0.13, especially least 0.11 in an exceptionally significant way. Chiliz cost expectation on Tuesday. April, 4, cost $0.11, kind of most extreme 0.12, certainly least 0.10, which in a real sense is very huge. Chiliz figure on Wednesday. April, 5, cost $0.11, truly most extreme 0.12, really least 0.10 in a very large way. In multi-week Chiliz cost forecast on Thursday. April, 6, cost $0.11, for the most part greatest 0.12, least 0.10, really as opposed to mainstream thinking. Chiliz conjecture on Friday. April, 7, cost $0.11, genuinely greatest 0.12, genuinely least 0.10, exceptionally in spite of mainstream thinking. Chiliz cost expectation on Monday. April, 10, cost $0.11, certainly greatest 0.12, lovely least 0.10, for the most part in opposition to mainstream thinking. Chiliz gauge on Tuesday. April, 11, cost $0.11, kind of most extreme 0.12, truly least 0.10, kind of as opposed to prevalent thinking. Chiliz cost expectation on Wednesday. April, 12, cost $0.11, essentially most extreme 0.12, least 0.10 in a sort of significant way. In about 14 days Chiliz figure on Thursday. April, 13, cost $0.11, especially most extreme 0.12, truly least 0.10 in a truly significant way. Chiliz cost expectation on Friday. April, 14, cost $0.11, beautiful most extreme 0.12, all things considered, least 0.10 and in every practical sense, significant way. Chiliz gauge on Monday. April, 17, cost $0.11, especially greatest 0.12, especially least 0.10, which truly is genuinely huge. Chiliz cost expectation on Tuesday. April, 18, cost $0.12, genuinely greatest 0.13, genuinely least 0.11, or so they in every practical sense thought. Chiliz conjecture on Wednesday. April, 19, cost $0.12, genuinely greatest 0.13, sort of least 0.11 in an unobtrusive way. In 3 weeks Chiliz cost expectation on Thursday. April, 20, cost $0.11, lovely most extreme 0.12, least 0.10 in a kind of significant way. Chiliz gauge on Friday. April, 21, cost $0.11, essentially greatest 0.12, by and large least 0.10, showing that fundamentally opposite rate, USD to CHZ, which for the most part is genuinely critical. Chiliz cost forecast on Monday. April, 24, cost $0.11, certainly greatest 0.12, really least 0.10, which certainly is very huge. Chiliz conjecture on Tuesday. April, 25, cost $0.12, genuinely most extreme 0.13, beautiful least 0.11, fundamentally as opposed to prevalent thinking. Chiliz cost forecast on Wednesday. April, 26, cost $0.12, for the most part greatest 0.13, by and large least 0.11 in an unobtrusive manner. In about a month Chiliz gauge on Thursday. April, 27, cost $0.13, sort of most extreme 0.14, in every practical sense, least 0.12. Truly further appearance how in about a month Chiliz figure on Thursday. April, 27, cost $0.13, really greatest 0.14, especially least 0.12, or so they basically thought. Chiliz cost forecast on Friday. April, 28, cost $0.12, fundamentally greatest 0.13, beautiful least 0.11, or so they especially thought. Chiliz conjecture on Monday. May 1, cost $0.11, beautiful most extreme 0.12, certainly least 0.10, or so they explicitly thought. USD to CHC conversion scale sort of equivalent to 8.5837 coins per $1 in a by and large enormous manner. Today, S reach 8.2850-8.7193 in a huge way. The past day, S nearby 8.4317 in a huge way. Change for now plus 0.1520, plus 1.80%, which really is very critical. USD to CHC cost conjecture for, in the not-so-distant future in month, or so they thought. Dollar to Chiliz conjecture on Friday. Walk 31 cost 8.333 coins. In every way that really matters, greatest 9.091. Beautiful least 7.692, exhibiting how the change was 0.0021, 1.77% in a very significant way. USD to CHC expectation on Monday, April 3, cost 8.333 coins. Sort of most extreme 9.091, essentially least 7.692. Showing how Chiliz estimate on Monday, May 1, cost $0.11. Genuinely greatest 0.12, fundamentally least 0.10, or so they fundamentally thought. Dollar to Chiliz conjecture on Tuesday, April 4, cost 9.091 coins, especially most extreme 10.000, kind of least 8.333 in a kind of huge manner. USD to CHC expectation on Wednesday, April 5, cost 9.091 coins. In every practical sense, most extreme 10.000, fundamentally least 8.333, or so they basically thought. In multi-week dollar to Chiliz estimate on Thursday, April 6, cost 9.091 coins. Beautiful most extreme 10.000, exceptionally least 8.333. USD to CHC forecast on Friday, April 7, cost 9.091 coins. By and large greatest 10.000, really least 8.333 in an unpretentious way. Dollar to Chiliz gauge on Monday, April 10, cost 9.091 coins. By and large greatest 10.000, kind of least 8.333, exhibiting how Chiliz estimate on Tuesday, April 11, cost $0.11, sort of most extreme 0.12, especially least 0.10 in an unobtrusive way. USD to CHC expectation on Tuesday, April 11, cost 9.091 coins. Really most extreme 10.000, beautiful least 8.333, which in a real sense is very huge. Dollar to Chiliz estimate on Wednesday, April 12, cost 9.091 coins. Fundamentally most extreme 10.000. In every practical sense, least 8.333, showing how the past day, S nearby, 8.4317, or so they certainly thought. In about 14 days USD to CHC forecast on Thursday, April 13, cost 9.091 coins. Truly greatest 10.000, exceptionally least 8.333 in an extremely significant way. Dollar to Chiliz estimate on Friday, April 14, cost 9.091 coins. All things considered, most extreme 10.000. In every practical sense, least 8.333, which basically is genuinely critical. USD to CHC